Hey friends, here we go again. Another good collection of stuff. Again, I have no idea what's in here. This is the mystery collection of mystery collections. We will bust it open and find out at the same time. Thanks for everybody that's been buying items, helping me make space, helping me recover the money that I put out for this, because it was not a small amount. And you know, I'm hoping to fill out a lot of people's collections with this stuff, so thank you. All right, looks like some Steve Jackson items. I think that's all what it is. So again, a lot of these are going to be all the same, you know, collection of stuff. So like this looks like all GURPS. So right out of the gate here, we've got shrink wrapped, but this was added by somebody, so it's not original shrink wrap. GURPS Space. This is the 3rd edition. Got a GURPS box set that's really super crunchy with GURPS Fantasy, GURPS Auto Duel, some looks like GURPS Auto Duel or Cardboard Heroes freebies. The basics rule books and stuff, so cool. I have to look through that, get a better feel for what's in there. All right, GURPS Mecha. This was a cool book. Traveler, GURPS Traveler modular cutter. This is just random, all thrown in there. Deadlands Aces and Eights. This is just a little mini dime adventure. GURPS Atlantis. A lot of these are really pretty clean, the 3rd edition stuff especially. GURPS Atomic Horror. I think that was the 2nd edition if I'm not mistaken on that. GURPS Scream Punk, one of the thinner books that they did. Rim of Fire for GURPS Traveler. These are a couple of the planetary surveys. I think it's just these two. We got Denuli and Gliston. Of these. Huh, look at that. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. The like mini novels. I've never seen those. There may be some collectors for that. That is definitely not GURPS. And then an old Ian Fleming book, and The Untold Legend of the Batman. This is from when? 1982. So that's kind of cool. Special Ops. I think that was a 2nd edition. GURPS Space Bestiary. GURPS Vehicles. And that is 1st edition. GURPS Martial Arts, GURPS War Against Couture, and there's that stupid sticker again, as I've pointed out in our last video. GURPS Warriors, GURPS IOU, Illuminati University, GURPS Technomancer. This is one that's pretty much people are always looking for. GURPS Swashbucklers, that's the 2nd edition. Pretty beat up GURPS Space Atlas 3. Creatures of the Night. I'm not going to say GURPS in front of them anymore. They're all GURPS. Deadlands Weird West. GURPS. In Nominee, but the GURPS edition. Villains. Alien Races 3. Starports. This is the Space, 1st edition Space, I believe. I have not seen that cover before, so I think that's it. China. This is one that's got people generally looking for it. Ogre. Imperial Rome. The 4th edition basic set. This is the characters book. Looks like it has lamination bubbling on it. Super Scum, pretty beat up. Got a lot of wear up top there. It looks like something ate into it. Yeah, something was eating it. This is the Supers 1st edition. Human X. Castle Falkenstein. Stein. Steampunk. Bestiary 3rd edition. Got a GURPS Light, which was a freebie they gave away. Old West 2nd edition. And the last one is for GURPS Traveler, the Ground Forces source book. Awesome. So, another cool box of stuff. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next one.